this video, I'm going to show you how to use hand tracking in CapCut Pro. Let's get started. Let's use this video as an example to start. Add it to the timeline track. After that, navigate to Video Basic, scroll down and find the Camera Tracking feature. In the Camera Tracking menu, choose the Hand category. This option allows CapCut to detect and track hand movements within your video. Once you've selected hand tracking, press the Start button to let CapCut analyze the movement. The software will automatically process and apply tracking to the selected hand motion. After the tracking is complete, you may notice blurred parts at the corners of your clip. By default, the Blur to Canvas option is activated. Simply deactivate it if you don't want the blur effect applied to your video. Now, to fine-tune the effect, customize the available parameters. Use the Shake slider to adjust the intensity of the movement for a smoother or more exaggerated effect. The Fit to Canvas option ensures the tracked object stays within the frame. Enable Lock Object Size to keep the tracked element from resizing during the motion. Once you've adjusted the settings, preview your video to see how the hand tracking effect looks. And that's it. Thanks for watching and happy editing.